Question number 10, it says find the horizontal asymptote if it exists, and then figure out if the horizontal asymptote gets crossed by the graph. To answer this question, you look at the leading term is 2, the leading term is 2, so you do have horizontal asymptote, and to find it, since the degree of top and bottom is the same, you just get the coefficient of the leading terms, which is 2 over 1. So you get y is equal to 2, which is the leading term from the top, over the coefficient of the leading term from the bottom, which is 2. So y is equal to 2 is your horizontal asymptote. To answer the second part, to find out if the graph crosses the horizontal asymptote, you set this 2 equal to the function. So you go 2x to the power 2 plus 4x minus 5 over x to the power 2 plus 3 equals to 2. You multiply both sides by the denominator x squared plus 3 to get rid of this denominator. Distribute. And we want to solve this equation. So these are gone. 2 times x to the power 2 is 2x to the power 2. 2 times 3 is 6. When you want to solve equations like this and you have x on both sides, you need to move all the x's to the other side. So I get 4x minus 5 is equal to 6. So I only have one x term left, and in order for me to solve this equation, I need to isolate the x. So I need to get rid of the number that is being added or subtracted. So I add 5 to both sides. 6 and 5 is 11. I divide both sides by 4. I get x is 11 over 4. So yes, the graph crosses the horizontal asymptote when x is 11/4 and y is positive 2. So we do have a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 2 like that, and horizontal asymptote gets crossed at the point x is 11/4 and y is 2. So the graph is going to cross this point.